Howard University was founded in 1867. It is a private university on a public location. Students pursue studies in more than 120 areas leading to undergraduate, graduate, and professional degrees. It's the reconstruction around Howard that has affected many students like Siani Andrews.
East, and they're like doing construction right behind my dorm. Like my window looks into the alleyway and they're doing construction right behind there. Like my TV's on 90 all day. It's loud, like it's really loud.
Many of Howard University's classes have been moved into the Howard Plaza Towers West and East, the old Wonder Bread factory on T Street, and also trailers by the Benjamin Banneker Center. Many of these buildings that are going through reconstruction.
Everything, I mean, Howard is having its own construction in addition to like the construction that's happening like in the area. So like a lot of Howard's buildings are down. So I had a class that was down by the Shaw Metro station. I never went to that class. And the teacher was like, I understand you not coming because who's gonna come for a 3-hour class once a week all the way down?
I think one of the really disturbing things, however, is that our infrastructure needs so much work. And we have buildings that are crumbling. We have buildings that are cold. It's not good for students, it's not good for faculty, it's not good for staff, it's not good for anybody.
These issues are affecting students desperately, and buildings are calling for renovation as soon as possible. With HU News Service, I am Desire Knox.